Mga kabugnos, magandang hapon ulit. Right, aray, narito na naman ako sa inyong harapan. Ay, ako'y merong nilaga din pinasiman. Ako'y magmimix na naman. Aray, ako'y merong Jack Daniel din tsaka sweet and lime juice. Yan, aray, pagsasamahin ko, I'm gonna mix this. So, tanggalin ko lang ring silyaw. Ikaw agad natanggal. Yan. Tagal tuloy. Yan. Yan. Tapos aray. Yan. Aray. Pagkasamahin ko. Aray titiwari ko aray. Pagayaon. Para magsama. Pag hindi naubos na yung iba nandin Yan. Yan. Katiwarik yung ganyan huwag kayong gagalaw siguro yung mga 30 minutos pwede na yung inumain kita nyo naghahalo pag nawala na yung halong yan pwede na kaya huwag lang kayong malikot, don't move too much, that's what they say. Yan. Kita nyo yung magbabalikang yan. Yan. May wala na. Mga 10 minuto. Yan. Habang nagaganyan, ako naman pupunta sa loob at may kukunin pang pulutan. Yan mga kabugnos. Kukunti na. Ay malapit na. Pag gusto nyo matapang, tanggalin nyo na. Habang ganyan nakikita nyo yung alak na yung tumataas. Like that. If you want strong, you can just take it off. And then that's it. If you just like a little smooth to drink it, keep it that way until there's no more up and down thing. I don't know how to call it, but yan, ako'y aray sinigang, tsaka ako'y may piniritong pampano. Yan. Lasing ako rin yan. Yan titiwarik mo lang yan. Yan, aray, may yelo ako. Pero ako din kung gusto mo ng medyo tamis-tamis, lagyan mo ng konti nito, pero para sa akin ilalagyan ko ng konti. Pero ito hindi na, parang ganyan. Hintay lang. Habang naghihintay tayo, di tayo mamumulutan. Mainit. Putan. Ayos. Kaya wala na. 1 minuto na lang yan. Pwede na. Kunti na. Bumaba na yung nagsasanib puwersa na. Yan. Kung kay Dragon Balls baga fusion, giba yan. Yan. May kakunti na yan. Pero may nakikita pa kaya daw. Kunti pa yan. May kunti pa. Kunti na lang. Yan kunti-kunti na. Kapag talagang gusto nyo ng manamis-namis, yung medyo malumanay kung iinumin, tagalan nyo mga 1 oras. Pero para sa akin, mga 15 minutes okay na yan. Parang medyo yung tapang hindi naglalalayo. Malamig na. Hapon na Hapon na ako nakapag-umpisa. Yan mga kabugnos, pwede na ray. Aray, tatagayin ko na. Aray, binabaligtad lang ng mabilis. Yan. May kaunting tapon talaga. Ganyan talaga yun. May kaunting tapon, oh. Yan, oh. Sadyang gayaw, is small messy. Small messy. But not a lot. So, it should be good. I got paper towel right here. So, it's good. It's okay na. Oh. Manyan. Jack Daniel na pinagalong sweet lime juice. Bukan nyo yan. Talagang, yun. Tapos nasa isang malamig. There's no mix this thing yet. I'm gonna try that one. Okay? Hindi ko na inahalo that's good. Wow. That's just good. Woo! You don't need this. You don't need that. That's it. That's all you need. So you need Jack Daniel apple and this. Yeah. That's why I put it like that. So if I can finish this, I can close it. See? Right? But it's already mixed. It's already mixed. And this, if I can finish this one too, I can cover it. And then I can put the fridge. Yan, lalagay ko lang sa fridge. Ayos na. Wow. That is good. This is dangerous. Ooh. A little messy. It's dangerous. Wow. Tagay mga kabugnaws. Why, ubos agad ay. Hiliwat na naman. Liwat pa na yan, liwat. Ay. May mga kabugnaws. Meron akong piniritong pampanaw. Umainit pa. Sarap. Naglamig. That's dangerous. Wow. Wow. That's dangerous. Wow. Wow. That was good. Wow. A little thick, but it's good. Yeah. Ay, panay yan, taga. Pour me some. Pour me some. Pour me some. Pour me some. Bagong dating. Yeah. Shot puno. Sana all. Wow. Wow. This is good. It's good. Hmm. Wow. I'm gonna try with this. With mix this. I don't know what it tastes it, but I'm gonna try it. But I like this. We no mix this thing. So, but I'm try. If it tastes good, just a little bit, just a little bit. That's a starry lime. Oh, it's good too. Oh, oh, oh man, that's good. Yeah. Wow. Oh, fried fish. Mm, wow, that's good. Wala na, empty. Oh man, gotta put some more. Yeah. No, I'm not put this one right here. It's good. I like this. It's a little kick. Yeah. So try this and this. You good. Good. See? I almost finished the whole bottle of this because we mixed this. Ah, whew, that was good. Oh man. Ano, mga kabugnaws? Ay, ayos ang aking imbento. Oh, yeah. Mag-imbento rin kayo, ay. Sarap ay.